Continuation of Mana's drama, and I'm sure most of you must have seen the promo released by Star Life about this week's episode on the show. And this is the week finally the whole truth comes out in front of the whole family. So this is me recapping the episode again. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet as we jump straight into the video of today on what we're expecting on your favorite series, Manat airing on Star Life.
The episode begins with Manat opening her heart to Vikrant. She tells him she has never wanted anyone's name, property, or rights because in her heart, Shruti will always be her real mother. Shruti was the woman who loved her, raised her, and stood by her through every stage of her life. Mannat explains that she never imagined her life would change overnight until the day doctors informed her that she urgently needed a liver transplant. It was during that difficult time that she discovered the truth about her birth and learned that Aishwarya was her biological mother. The revelation turned her entire world upside down, leaving her confused and emotionally shattered. Mannat admits she made mistakes after learning the truth, but insists she never intended to hurt anyone. She simply didn't know how to face the people she loved or how to reveal a truth that had changed everything. Vikrant listens quietly, but the pain on his face is impossible to hide. He isn't just upset about what happened, he is deeply disappointed that Mannat never trusted him enough to tell him the truth. Without saying another word, he walks away, leaving Mannat heartbroken as she realizes she may have damaged the trust between them. Back at the Soluja house, the atmosphere is filled with tension. Kiran angrily demands answers, questioning how many more secrets Mannat has hidden from the family. She feels everyone has been deceived and struggles to accept everything that has happened. Malika is overwhelmed with guilt, blaming herself for trusting Mannat and standing by her instead of supporting her own daughter. Unable to watch the constant accusations any longer, Gagan asks Malika to stop blaming herself and gently turns his attention to Aishwarya, asking how she is coping after everything that has come to light. Meanwhile, Roni and Neetu are still trying to process the shocking truth. Roni asks Gagan how he can possibly remain calm after learning that Mannat is Aishwarya's daughter. Gagan admits that the truth shocked him as well, but once the initial surprise faded, all he could think about was Mannat's pain. He cannot imagine what it must have felt like for her to discover that she had been abandoned by her biological mother at birth. Instead of judging her, he found himself feeling sympathy for the young woman who had carried such a heavy burden alone. Gagan then reveals another surprising truth. He tells the family that Mannat came to him first and trusted him with everything before telling anyone else. The revelation leaves everyone stunned, especially Vikrant, who never imagined that someone else had known the truth before him. The realization hurts him deeply because he believed he shared a special bond with Mannat. Mannat notices the disappointment in Vikrant's eyes and understands that his silence comes from broken trust rather than anger alone. When the conversation turns to who supported Mannat during her darkest moments, Mannat openly thanks Gagan for believing her and standing beside her when she felt completely alone. Her words surprised the entire family, who begin to realize how isolated she had felt while carrying such an enormous secret. The tension quickly shifts toward Aishwarya. Kiran directs her anger at her, accusing her of abandoning her own daughter and questioning how any mother could make such a choice. Rather than allowing Aishwarya to face the accusations alone, Mannat steps forward and firmly defends her. She asks why society is always ready to blame and humiliate a woman, while the man responsible is allowed to disappear without facing any consequences. She questions why people are so eager to condemn a mother, but never ask what forced her into such an impossible situation. Her powerful words leave everyone speechless. Shruti then reveals that she had once tried to help Aishwarya, but circumstances prevented her from reaching her in time. She explains that not everything is as simple as it appears. Listening to Shruti, Mannat says she believes Aishwarya must have had reasons for making the painful decision she made years ago. Instead of judging her biological mother, she chooses compassion. Unable to remain silent any longer, Aishwarya finally gathers the courage to tell the truth about the past she has hidden for so many years. Fighting back tears, she explains that she was once an ambitious young woman with big dreams. She excelled in her studies and hoped to build a successful future that would lift her family out of hardship. Her dreams, however, were destroyed when a dangerous man named Anirudh became obsessed with her. Aishwarya reveals that Aniruddha repeatedly followed her, harassed her, and refused to accept her rejection. Every attempt she made to distance herself only fueled his obsession. Determined to protect herself, she filed a police complaint against him, but by then the damage had already been done. The constant fear, Humiliation and trauma shattered the life she had worked so hard to build. As she continues speaking, Aishwarya admits that she became pregnant during the darkest period of her life. Broken by fear, shame, and emotional trauma, she felt completely alone. She convinced herself that abandoning her newborn daughter was the only way to protect both of them from the nightmare she was living. It was the greatest mistake of her life, a decision she has regretted every single day since. She goes on to explain that when she recently saw a group of goons harassing Mannat, memories she had buried for years suddenly came rushing back. Watching Mannat in danger forced her to relive every terrifying moment she had suffered at Anirudh's hands. The trauma she had tried to forget returned with full force, leaving her unable to remain silent any longer. Overcome with guilt and emotion, Aishwarya turns to Mannat and apologizes with tears in her eyes. She admits she failed as a mother and says she does not deserve to be forgiven or even called Mannat's mother after abandoning her all those years ago. Instead of responding with anger, Mannat walks toward Aishwarya with compassion. She apologizes for forcing her to reopen wounds she had spent years trying to bury. Mannat tells her that she now understands how much pain, fear, and helplessness she must have carried for so long. The emotional exchange becomes a turning point for both women as they begin to heal from years of guilt, loss, and unanswered questions. Elsewhere, Varun confronts Anirudh about everything that has happened. He questions whether anyone in the Soluja family will believe Anirudh if he continues trying to portray Aishwarya as the villain. Anirudh remains arrogant and dismissive. He insists Aishwarya has already destroyed her own credibility by abandoning her daughter and believes no one will ever fully trust her again. Confident that he still holds the upper hand, Anirudh reveals his next move. He produces a DNA report, convinced it will help him strengthen his case and destroy Aishwarya completely. It becomes clear that he has no interest in justice or the truth. His actions are driven purely by revenge and a wounded ego after being rejected years ago. His determination to ruin Aishwarya's life once again raises fresh fears for Mannat's safety. Back at the Soluja house, Kiran refuses to let go of her anger and continues humiliating Aishwarya despite hearing her heartbreaking confession. This time, however, Vikrant can no longer remain silent. He steps forward and firmly tells Kiran that no woman deserves to carry such shame alone. He reminds everyone that Aishwarya has already suffered enough and should not be judged without understanding everything she endured. Gagan also stands beside Aishwarya, acknowledging the incredible strength it took for her to survive years of trauma and finally reveal the truth. Slowly, the family's perspective begins to change as they recognize the immense pain both Mannat and Aishwarya have carried for years. Although understanding begins to replace judgment inside the Soluja house, the danger is far from over. With Anirudh preparing to use the DNA report as part of his revenge, a new storm is already gathering, threatening to destroy the fragile peace that Mannat and Aishwarya have only just begun to rebuild.